Every meal tells the story of humanity. For thousands of years, we've relied on farms, oceans, and forests to feed us. But as our population grows and the climate changes, the way we produce food is reaching its limits. By 2050, the world's population is expected to approach 10 billion people. Feeding everyone will require new ideas, smarter technology, and entirely new ways of thinking about food. So, what will be on our plates? One possibility is cultivated meat. Instead of raising entire animals, scientists can grow real meat from a small collection of animal cells. The result is genuine meat, without the need to raise or slaughter livestock. While the technology is still developing, it has the potential to reduce land use, water consumption, and greenhouse gas emissions. But meat is only part of the story. Across the world, enormous vertical farms are beginning to transform agriculture. Instead of growing crops across vast fields, vegetables are stacked inside climate-controlled buildings, where light, water, and nutrients are carefully managed by artificial intelligence. These farms can produce fresh food throughout the year, while using significantly less water than traditional farming. The future kitchen may also become smarter than ever before. Imagine opening your refrigerator and having it recommend meals based on your health, allergies, fitness goals, and even the ingredients already inside. Artificial intelligence could help reduce food waste while making healthier eating easier than ever before. Scientists are also exploring completely new sources of nutrition. Seaweed, algae, fungi, and even insects are rich in protein and require far fewer natural resources than conventional livestock. Although many people may hesitate today, history has shown that eating habits constantly evolve. Foods once considered unusual often become everyday favorites. Perhaps the biggest transformation won't be what we eat, but how food is created. Precision fermentation is already allowing companies to produce proteins found in milk and eggs without using cows or chickens. Future foods may taste exactly like the ones we know today, while placing far less pressure on the planet. Of course, every new technology brings important questions. Will people trust food grown in laboratories? Will it be affordable? Will it truly be better for our health and the environment? The future of food won't be decided by technology alone. It will also depend on the choices we make as consumers. One thing seems certain: the dinner table of tomorrow will look very different from the one we know today. The future isn't arriving all at once. It's arriving one meal at a time. Join us as we explore the ideas and technologies shaping tomorrow. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe and join us as we continue exploring the future and beyond.